Like and subscribe for more great cannabis science on the go. Scientific mysteries of cannabis bud swelling revealed in the final weeks of flowering. Cannabis cultivation is an intricate art that has captivated growers and enthusiasts alike for centuries. Among the various phases of the cannabis life cycle, the flowering stage is particularly fascinating. In the final 2 to 3 weeks of the flowering cycle, cannabis plants undergo explosive growth, and the buds experience a remarkable swelling. This phenomenon is not merely a product of chance, it is deeply rooted in the intricate mechanisms of plant biology. Scientific causes of cannabis explosive growth. The explosive growth observed in cannabis plants during the final weeks of flowering can be attributed to several scientific factors. One pivotal element is the increased metabolic activity of the plant, fueled by a combination of environmental triggers and internal hormonal changes. As the plant senses the approaching end of its life cycle, it intensifies its efforts to produce and accumulate energy, directing resources towards bud development. One of the key hormones involved in this process is gibberellin. Gibberellins play a crucial role in cell elongation and division, promoting the growth of stems and buds. During the late flowering stage, the concentration of gibberellins increases, signaling the plant to allocate resources for rapid growth. Additionally, the interaction between gibberellins and auxins contributes to the elongation of cells, allowing for the expansion of bud structures. Plant parts responsible for bud swelling. Understanding the specific plant parts responsible for bud swelling sheds light on the underlying biological processes. Trichomes, resinous structures that cover the surface of cannabis buds, play a pivotal role in the development of cannabinoids and terpenes. As the plant approaches maturity, trichomes become increasingly dense, contributing to the overall swelling of the buds. Moreover, the calyx, a protective structure that houses the reproductive organs of the plant, undergoes significant changes during the late flowering stage. The calyx is responsible for encapsulating developing seeds and is also a site for the accumulation of cannabinoids. The swelling of calyxes contributes directly to the overall size and density of the buds, enhancing bud swelling through feeding schedule adjustments. Cannabis growers keen on maximizing bud swelling can employ targeted adjustments to their feeding schedules. Proper nutrient management is crucial during the late flowering stage, ensuring that the plant receives the essential elements needed for robust bud development. Phosphorus boost. Phosphorus is a key nutrient during the flowering stage, playing a central role in energy transfer and the formation of essential molecules like ATP. Increasing phosphorus levels in the feeding schedule during the final weeks can enhance bud swelling. Potassium supplementation. Potassium is essential for various physiological processes, including the regulation of water uptake and osmotic pressure. Providing additional potassium in the feeding schedule supports the development of dense and resinous buds. Calcium and magnesium balance. Maintaining a balanced ratio of calcium to magnesium is crucial for cell structure and function. Adequate levels of these minerals contribute to the integrity of cell walls and the overall structural stability of the buds. Microbial inoculants. Beneficial microbes in the soil contribute to nutrient availability and uptake. Introducing microbial inoculants, such as mycorrhizal fungi, can enhance nutrient absorption and improve overall plant health, promoting optimal bud development. pH control. Controlling the pH of the nutrient solution is a critical factor that directly influences nutrient availability to the plant. During the flowering cycle, maintaining a slightly acidic pH in the range of 6.0 to 6.5 is optimal for nutrient uptake. This pH range ensures that essential nutrients are in their most soluble form, facilitating efficient absorption by the roots and promoting robust bud development. By paying careful attention to pH levels in addition to nutrient composition, growers can create an environment conducive to the optimal uptake of essential elements, leading to enhanced bud swelling and overall plant vitality. The delicate balance of nutrients and pH control exemplifies the precision required in the art and science of cannabis cultivation. Estimating growth percentage during the final weeks of the plant's life cycle. The potential growth percentage during the final weeks of a cannabis plant's life cycle can vary based on several factors, including genetics, environmental conditions, and cultivation practices. When proper environmental conditions are controlled and maintained correctly, growers can anticipate a substantial increase in size and density of the buds. Under optimal conditions, it is not uncommon for cannabis plants to experience a growth surge of 20% to 30% during the final 2 to 3 weeks of the flowering cycle. This estimate takes into account the cumulative effects of increased metabolic activity, hormonal changes, and enhanced nutrient uptake. The synergistic interplay of these factors contributes to the impressive expansion of bud structures, resulting in a visually noticeable difference in overall size and resin production. It's important to note that these estimates are generalizations, and actual growth percentages can vary based on specific strains, individual plant health, and the precision with which environmental factors are managed. Factors such as light intensity, temperature, humidity, and airflow play crucial roles in determining the final outcome. Cannabis cultivators who meticulously fine-tune their cultivation environment, implement targeted feeding schedules, and closely monitor plant health are more likely to achieve growth percentages at the higher end of the spectrum. As the science of cannabis cultivation advances, growers continue to refine techniques, pushing the boundaries of what can be achieved during the critical final weeks of the plant's life cycle. The potential growth percentage is a dynamic aspect of cannabis cultivation, influenced by a myriad of interconnected factors. With a comprehensive understanding of plant biology and a commitment to optimal environmental conditions, growers can unlock the full potential of their cannabis plants, witnessing a remarkable surge in growth during the culmination of the flowering cycle. If you'd like more cannabis science on the go, please subscribe and turn on notifications. And we'll see you soon.